this week's plug is this week's question in Ask Axel is going to be an ECU plug. How do we depin an ECU plug if we get that far and we need to repin or move pins? So these ones again are very fine, very small. These will have a locking tab in the back, so this is the locking pin area. So we need to pop this locking pin up, preferably without breaking it. So what that does now is that releases all of the pins inside so that we're able to get your block with your tab or the tab section lifted up so it's unlocked. You want to find your wire. You want to go for the larger of the two holes and you want to slide that in. You'll feel it stop on the pin, and then you just want to lever it down just a touch and pull at the back at the same time, and out comes your pin. So there you have it. That's the other style.